Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Yadav, a student of Faculty of Engineering, University of Lucknow. I am here to present presentation on the topic highway safety. Let's start. This slide shows the number of accidents in India. This shows almost 53 accidents occur in an hour. That means from this moment to the end of my presentation, almost 15 road accidents would have been occurred, and almost 4 people will lose their life in accident. This data shows that how important this topic is. These are the contents of my whole PPT. These are cross section, rumble strip, design of roadside junction, roundabout, traffic calming road designs, innovative interchange and intersection design, traffic sign, pedestrian crossing, barriers, road accident mitigation measures taken by the MARTH in recent past. Introduction. The main purpose of adopting the highway safety measure for the highway roadsides are to reduce the number of accidents, to facilitate safer journey, to increase the quality of transit system, to maintain regular traffic flow. Cross section. These are provided for the smooth flow of the traffic, and the flow of the traffic is unorganized manner. This cross section makes sure that the flow of the traffic is in organized manner. This makes sure that every vehicle follow a specific path. The cross section plays vital role in the safer journey. The main elements of the cross sections are the pavement with the vehicle lane, edge strip and the marking, emergency zones, embankment and cutting slope, etc. These are the some pictures of the cross section. Like the first one, you can see the two continuous lines. This shows that the vehicles moving on either side could not cross the these these lines. And the second, these are strictly prohibited, means vehicle could not enter this region also. And the third, we can see that one continuous line and another non-continuous line, which means vehicle moving in the side of the continuous line could not cross the lane. And in the fourth slide we can see that the vehicles moving in at the non-continuous light could cross the lane. And in the fourth, the merging is shown. In the fifth, diverging, like, so that we can say them there are the many things. And these are the cross section of the road which makes sure that the flow of the traffic on the road is safer. Next is rumble strip. Rumble strips are provided to reduce the risk of accidents. These are the some continuous small patches on the roads or the continuous white strip on the road. Rumble strips. First one is a soldier rumble strip. These are provided at the edge of the lane. These are provided so that the driver moving on the lane could not go off the lane, so that so it reduces the chance of road accident. Center line number strip. These are provided so that the driver moving in a lane could not change the center line of the road. uh, how it's actually work. The small patches in the rumble strip, when the vehicle just move on that small patches are these small continuous white lines, it's make a jerk feel at the jerk feel to the driver, a sound produce. This alerts the driver, so that this so it work to reduce the accident, and it alerts the drivers. Advantage: reduce the number of crashes, they reflect. Paint help to increase the visibility, alert drivers upon drifting or deviation. Design of road sign. Why we actually need a roadside? These are important to avoid the sudden stop in the traffic flow. The proper spacings are provided for various purposes. These also avoid the sharp turns. Emergency zones are provided. wider obstacle free zone to reduce the risk in the case of runoff accident. Junctions. Junctions क्या होते हैं? It is the point where many roads intersect each other. These are provided because it increases the reaction time for the driver moving at any one of the roads which are the part of junction, because a a proper space is provided at the junction, so that it increases visibility, overseeable, comprehensible completeness. These are the main purpose of the junctions. Traffic calming road designs. These are practiced in the Europe from 35 year ago. This was first started in the Europe. The intent of the traffic calming road design was to slow down the traffic. These are used primarily as a safe measure on the low volume and the low speed roadways. These are the some physical change actually provided on the road. It reduces the speed of the traffic, so that it also reduces the chances of the accident. And these are the some methodology adapted for the traffic calming design. See in this slide you clearly seeing that the green portion is for the pedestrian, uh, a raised crosswalk. And these are the raised area for the pedestrian, and the hashed area is hump. And you can also see the zebra crossing and the yellow and the black dash. These are the raised crosswalking. These reduces the traffic flow to a considerable extent, so that the flow of the vehicle uh, is smooth. Here are the some figures. Speed tables. Speed tables are generally the better version of breakers. These are the lungs area. You see the red portion. Red portion. These are the small. मतलब these are the small and long and wide humps provided on the road, and the purpose is to slow down the speed of the traffic. And raised crosswalks, these are also provided to slow down the traffic speed. And these are the in the third picture you see that these are the humps provided at a wider space. These also reduces the speed of the vehicle. Innovative interchange and intersection design. I think this is the most important topic, because uh, we are practicing we are not practicing mm, these methods in India. We are generally going through the single point interchange uh, and the conventional interchanges, and so that in the conventional and the SPI there is the more chances of occurring accident. So here we will see the some innovative interchange and intersection design. The first is diverging diamond interchange. These type of interchange are important for the speedy flow of the traffic and the safer movement. And the capacity of accommodation of the traffic is increased without need to increase the number of lane in an intersection. These are the very advanced version of the conventional and the better version of the single point interchange. And almost it also better than the Eklon interchange, and which I will explain further. See, I have purpose increase capacity, safety, congestion कम कर देता है, minimize the cost of new infrastructure, advantages, safety, greater capacity and efficiency, easy navigation, suitability. These are the some point. And in the figure you can see that in the conventional diamond interchange, which are also being practiced in India in some part, in this we see that the crossing is 6 crossing. Why I only including the crossing? Because the crossing is most uh, dangerous, and in the DDI the crossing is 2. uh, so uh, so from this figures only we can see that the DDI is better option. And If I talk about the total conflict in the conventional, there is 22, and in the DDI there is 18 conflict. This shows that DDI is way better than conventional. Second, echelon interchange. What are echelon interchanges? Uh, these introduces a bridge splitting traffic into two levels, creating two separate intersection of one-way street. Because there is no opposing traffic for the left turns, there is more green light time for all movement. And see advantages: safety, greater capacity, and efficiency. Uh, it reduces the wage of vehicle collision at this reduces the number of ways of vehicles collision almost half. As you clearly see from this figure, the crossing in the conventional conflict is 16, and in the crossing in the echelon conflict is almost 6. um, and more than the double, you can see here. And this intersection also accommodates more traffic than the conventional interchanges. And here we clearly see that the total conflict points in the conventional intersections are 32, and in echelon form there is 22 only. The next is single point interchange. It is the type of highway interchange. This design was created in order to help the moving large volume of the traffic through the limited amount of the safety and efficiency. This was the first steps was taken to avoid the congestion on the road and provide the safer journey in a better way. So it is the first step for the diamond interchange. This also provide better safety, greater capacity, also accommodates large truck. Ease of navigation is also more. The total conflict is high, but way better than the conventional one. In the next slide, uh, talking about the traffic signs, these are the these are like the salt to the spicy food, we can say. uh, Traffic signs, the work of the traffic signs are to control the flow of the traffic, warn about hazards ahead, guide to destination, inform roadside services. These are the very important parts on the highway. These also help to drivers to move on the highway safely. Here are the some pictures of the traffic signs. You can see with their meaning: right hand curve, left hand curve, right hairpin bend. There are many more. You can find these on the roads. Roundabouts. These are the I think the first interchange was designed for the continuous flow of the traffic. This was provided when the traffic volume exceed 4,500 vehicles per hour and the congestion was at the saturated level. Mm. Uh, these are the very helpful in the continuous flow of the traffic. This is a one directional flow. In this roundabout, the vehicles move in only one direction. This is a counterclockwise direction, and these are very safe. uh, Reduction in collision, you can see the chart over here. Fatality collision reduction 90%. In this roundabouts, the fatality reduction is 90%. Means the almost every it reduces every type of the fatality collision. Pedestrian collision, these are less, but just focus on the fatality collision. And in just in the first picture you see that why the fatality collision is reduced, because the number of crossing is zero here, means there is no any fatal accident. And in the recent my ppt you have seen the crossing. Why I am focusing more on the crossing? Because crossing are more dangerous than the merging and the diverging. So almost every road designs only majorly, I cannot so only, but majorly focus on the crossing. So the crossing is zero, which makes it more safer. And crossing is zero because the flow is in only one direction, so the crossing is not included here. In the next slide, and these are the some road accident mitigation measure taken by the MARTH in the recent past. uh, in the recent past, Nitin Gadkari, our highway minister, also quoted that about the highway safety, and he also considered that the roads are being, sorry, he said that the Indian roads are not safe enough. So there are some major steps taken by the government. Driver training, they focus on the driver training, how the driver driving license is provided. They have changed the models uh, of the driving training and researches. Reasoning driving training center are being opened. Publicity and awareness campaigns are being, like spreading awareness to the TB. Appointment, they have appointed Akshay Kumar sir to for the brand ambassador of road safety, and research in the road safety are going on. Environment of NGO and the other stakeholders are also being, and the engineering, both the roads and the vehicle measures, some engineering measures are taken. And government had identified and identified the black spot, and they are trying to rectify the black spot. From the saying black spot, that means black spot is a place where the most number of accident take place, are the hazardous accident take place. The place are mentioned here as a black spot. So government is searching those area and findings why they are so, means why they are so dangerous, and why and government is taking two steps to avoid that. And also their installation of the crash barrier, training and capacity building, speed control, vehicular engineering measures are being taken. Maintenance of the both motorized and non-motorized vehicle in line with the international standard and practices. And first, why we prefer it? These are the preferred to minimize adverse safety and the environmental effect of the vehicle operation on the road user and infrastructure. Uh, Here are the some steps what are followed by them. Uh, Compulsory anti-lock braking system in M1, M2 category and the two wheelers. Automatic headlight on, crash test, airbags, bus body code, truck body code, speedy alert system in the cars, red beacon lights. These are the steps which a government had said it would be taken. Some are taken, some would be. Uh, if most of them would be followed, then it will be it would be help to reduce the road accident. Emergency, um, we are doing so much steps to reduce the accident, but in case accidents happens, so government had taken major steps for the installation of medical services at the road accident directly. uh, Incident management system on NH, like if the incident engine, there are the some number provided here for the road units. um, let's see the next slide. Here are the some references which I have taken mm, to complete my PPT. And thank you, thank you. So my presentation ends here. Thank you very much.